In this video, we are going to see how we can create a new company in Teleprime. We have already created the company before, but now we are trying to start a company project. So I'll also explain you about the business of the company and how we can start this business and transfer all the records here. So the company name is Elite Traders and they are dealing with car parts. That means they buy the car parts, the fragile items like windscreen, headlights, wheel cups and rear lights. So these are all the special items, you can say decoration items, and they sell it in the market. So the company was operating for many years, but they didn't feel the need to install a software. But now the business is expanding, so they are planning to manage the accounts in a better way. And that's why we are implementing the Teleprime software and transferring all the records. Now, this is a practical scenario how the implementation works. So if you want to do the implementation projects after completing this course, you can do that as well, because the basics of the implementation is same. Only the data will be in more quantity or it will be different from this one. So customers, let's say I have 4 customers in this example, but you might have 400 customers, but the rules will be same. At this point, if the client asks you to transfer all the earlier records as well, or let's say they ask to transfer all the last year records in Teleprime, just remember that this is not how implementation works. You will simply ask them to close the last financial year, and normally the financial year close in December. So let's say in December 2024, they will extract all the chart of accounts along with the closing balances, how much they need to receive from all the customers in total and individually as well. Similarly, they will access and gather the data of all the payables for all the vendors together and the simple and separate ones as well. So for example, from Daniel, we need to pay 50,000 to Daniel. Sian, we need to pay 80,000. So in total, we need to pay 130,000. Same goes for all the stock. They need to count the stock. They need to value the stock and then extract one single closing balance, also along with individual inventory details, how much they have it, on what rate and on what total amount. Same goes for all assets, cash, etc. So they will extract all the closing trial report. Now it depends on them how they gather this data. If they want to hire an auditor, accountant, whatever, they will provide you with all of this data, and then you will put this one as the opening balances, and then we can work on the software. So let's say even we are in the middle of March, what we can do is we can backdate and put the January balance and then move forward and enter day-to-day transactions in the past as well, but not before that. So this is the company scenario where the company is operating already, and we just need to transfer or start the business from January 1st on the Teleprime accounting software. So we will quickly create a company, and as we can see, the company is already created. If you want to, let's say, delete the company, how we can do that? Let's shut the company first. On the right hand side, we have the company options. If we click on this arrow right here at the corner, we have the shut company option. Just click shut company and hit enter if we see the list of the companies. Now to delete this company, we must already have an other company as well. So let's create a new company and then we will see how we can delete the existing company. So let's say that we want to create a fresh company. On the right hand side, we have the F3 option, and there we can use the create company option. Now the company name is Elite Traders. Let's name it as Elite Trading to make it different. And the state is not applicable right now. Country is United States, which will automatically pick up the base currency and the formal name as well. The financial year will be beginning from 1st of January, and the books will begin from the same date, because like I said, that we are transferring all the records from the manual accounting system to the computerized one. That means the company is already working. The books beginning from will be different only when we are in the middle of the year and we are just starting the business in the middle of the year. Only then books beginning from will be different, otherwise it will be the same. So press Ctrl A. How do we know it? Because at the bottom there's accept screen. Now just remember that there is no save option in Teleprime like all the other softwares, but like we press Ctrl S to save in all the other softwares, we have the Ctrl A shortcut key to accept or to save. So A is mentioned here and it's with the double dashes, so all the double dashes is for control. So control combination will be used with A, and that saves the company. It will immediately open up this screen that the company is created successfully. If you want to show more features, you need to enable yes, and now we can access all the advanced functions. So for example, if you want to learn about the cost center reporting, interest calculation, batches, price level list, and all the functions that we will see later on, we can access it from here and then press Ctrl A to accept. So that creates your new company. Now the current company is Elite Trading. Now let's see that if you want to delete the earlier company or any of these companies, let's switch to Elite Traders first. Let's say this Elite Traders. This is the active company now. And now we want to delete the Elite Trading company. How we can delete that? Just go to the company section and click on Elite Trading. To delete the company, there is no specific short key mentioned, and that's a security feature because you might not accidentally delete this if you don't know already about it. You don't accidentally click on any key to delete the company. So press alternate D to delete the company, but we need to access this first. So let's access this, and then we go to company and click on alter. Open this. This will open the alteration screen. For example, I want to keep the original name of Elite Traders rather than Elite Trading. So this is the extra company created. After that, I'll press alternate D, and then it shows to delete the company. It's asking for the confirmation. We'll press yes. And are you sure? Yes. And the company is deleted. Now we have only one company, which is Elite Traders. So that's how we can create a brand new company and delete the extra company in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.